Good morning, everybody. So for math today, we're actually going to do a measuring activity. You guys can pick anything you want, but I'm going to try to make some blueberry oatmeal sort of breakfast snack cookies. So they're kind of healthy. They've got your fruit, they've got your oats in it, and very low sugar. So anyway, as you guys know, one of the most important things that we can do is to start out by reading our recipe. So I'm going to need half a cup of butter, some brown sugar, an egg, vanilla extract, oats, all-purpose flour, some ground cinnamon, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and blueberries. And I've got all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get our materials together, and we will go ahead and make this. So I can't wait to see what kind of cool things you guys decide to make, but yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, so now we've got our ingredients. So the first thing that we're gonna do is in a bowl, we're gonna cream this butter and brown sugar. So I need my cup measurement, so 1 cup. We're gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar. So just like that. We've got our 1 cup of brown sugar. So we cream our butter and brown sugar. So what I need to do now is, this should be softened, but I just took it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna soften it up just a teensy bit in the microwave. So get out a little dish here. Get a little butter and put those 8 tablespoons, which also equals a half a cup. We got it in here. We're gonna heat that up in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Should get a little bit soft for us. And then we're gonna cream this butter and brown sugar. And you can do this with a regular spoon, or you can use a beater or like some kind of attachment, which is what I'm gonna do to cream it. All right, looks like our butter is nice and soft now. So I need a little spatula here. So I'm just going to empty it into our dish like this. Oops. And nice and empty now, just like so. Okay. So, like I said, you guys can use a plain spoon or spatula or whatever you want to stir. I've got this nifty little beater right here, so I'm gonna use that, just because I got it for Christmas and I want to use it. So we're gonna cream this butter and eggs, or we're gonna try. Maybe I'll stir it first and get it mixed a little so that stuff doesn't shoot out at me. set that to the side and see if we can stir this up a bit to make sure it's nice and creamed. And then I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Yeah, that looks perfect. So that's what it should look like. Now we are going to add in our egg and then our vanilla. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to crack my egg in this dish in case any shells get in it. That way I don't get them in my delicious treat. So, oops, I see a lump here. All right, so now we're gonna add that egg in. There's no shell in there, so we can just add that right in. Easy peasy. And our vanilla as well, then we're gonna beat it in. We need 1 teaspoon. So that's gonna be this one right here. How it says 1 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now we just need to beat it, beat it. Let's get these down from the side here. All right, guys, so that's nice and beaten. Should look like this. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set this to the side because we need to combine our oats, our flour, our cinnamon, our salt, baking soda, and baking powder, and then we'll add this to the cream mixture and then stir in our blueberries. So I'm gonna speed this on up because we're already taking up a lot of time here, and I don't wanna make you guys sit through all this, so here we go. All right, guys, so our batter is done now. Our oven is still preheating at 350. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop tablespoons on here that are about 2 inches apart on a lightly greased baking sheet. I'm gonna use a baking stone, but yeah, let's do this. All right, guys, so we followed our recipe perfectly and we have these really delicious, healthy breakfast cookies. Let's try one. Whoa. Those are pretty amazing. I definitely recommend them. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I'm so proud of you and good job participating in your math.